Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Frequent sneezing in cats can indicate underlying issues. While occasional sneezing is normal, consistent sneezing could be due to allergies, respiratory infections, or foreign objects in the nasal passages. Monitor your cat's symptoms, such as nasal discharge or lethargy, and consult a veterinarian to determine the cause and necessary treatment.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.